Just did a video earlier of another customer coming in and do some service work and adding a few more upgrades. Here we have another, just finished this truck not too long ago. And I love seeing a truck that's actually been in the mud. It looks great. Very pleased with this build. Our customer's loving it. Willies at Akins. Mustang inventory is thick right now, looking great. Got Roush and Ford Mustangs sprayed all through here. It's coming down the hill right here, and I'm like a little kid. I'm so excited. This is the Ford Performance Blue. Y'all saw the wheels and tires and lift already installed. We decided to paint everything color match. We're not done with it yet, but man, it is looking good. Look at this beast coming down here. Wow. Yes, sir.